Welcome to 7032 East Cactus Road, a well-appointed gated property on over an acre in the magic zip code. Vaulted and beamed ceilings soar over the spacious living room, open to the chandelier-lit formal dining room. Gleaming quartz counters dress the long eat-in kitchen with stainless appliances and plentiful cabinetry. Cozy up to the wood-burning fireplace in the welcoming family room, featuring vaulted ceilings and convenient patio access. Retreat to the generous master's suite at day's end. A sunlit sitting room and attached desk area is perfect for the work-at-home professional. A secluded entry invites you into the detached guest house with its own private patio. The guest house is complete with a family room, eat-in kitchen, dining room, master suite, indoor laundry, and attached garage. The Acre Plus property boasts a covered patio, open-air patio, fire pit, pool, RV garage, plenty of space for extra parking, and more amenities.